Today we are looking at a completely rebuilt Baldor 100 horsepower 3-phase electric motor. This unit is 230 460 volt. You can pause the video now for the data of the motor. This unit is in exceptional shape. It came in to us. It has been completely cleaned and repainted. The feet of the motor are in perfect condition. It is mounted down to a good shipping pallet. It's a visual inspection of the feet. You can see they are in perfect shape. The motor has been completely reconditioned with all new bearings. As you can see, the motor leads are in excellent shape. This is just a very nice motor, ready to go back to work. This unit has a 2-inch and 1/8 of an inch shaft, a 2 and 1/8 inch shaft. The unit is in awesome condition. There's a look at the key stock. This will come with the unit. There's a look at the keyway on the shaft. It's just a very nice machine. Not too much more to say about it. We have the unit pre-wired so we can test run it for you. We're going to do that in just a moment. Just wanted to finish a full walk around of the unit before we fire it up. It's just a very good unit all the way around. Baldor is known for making very good machines. So look at the inside of the electrical cover. Very nice. As you can see, we have the unit running. Unit runs quiet, as it should. We have tape on the shaft so that when we roll the time lapse of the unit running, you will be able to tell that it is spinning due to the frame rate of the camera. Sometimes they look like they are not spinning. This unit is in perfect condition. It's ready to go to work and run for a long time. The motor shop that checked this out for us said everything was in excellent shape. The leads, the windings, everything. Bearings are brand new. We're going to go ahead and set up a time lapse of the unit running now. The unit has ran for 30 minutes, as you've seen in our time lapse. This unit is 100% ready to go, ready to ship with no lead time. This unit is available through us here at Commodity Traders International. Please see our other videos for all other equipment needs. A link to our website will be in the video description down below and following the video. Thank you for watching.